My video tutorial will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the new adware called FrequencyField. FrequencyField is the adware from the adload family, and this particular adware attacks Mac computers these days. FrequencyField adware, once installed, may start displaying the tremendous portion of pretty intrusive advertisements while you surf the internet. So, if this frequency field was somehow installed to your computer, to your Mac computer, of course you need to undertake the measures and remove this adware as soon as you can. Otherwise, you'll keep facing the huge portion of pretty intrusive ads. To remove this frequency field adware, check your Finder, check your applications. Find this frequency field, right-click on it and move it to the trash. If you see anything else which is suspicious, remove it too. I also recommend you to scan your computer with Combo Cleaner, and the best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Download the application, install it, and then start carefully researching the system to detect and remove other threats from your computer. After you start Combo Cleaner Antivirus, for the first time, the application will be initially in the trial mode, even though certain features of Combo Cleaner are absolutely free to use. For example, disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, and after it is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan button. Combo Cleaner Antivirus will then begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. There are some other features that require premium license. They are antivirus, privacy scanner, and uninstaller feature. The scanning duration depends on various factors, of course. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time, and it may depend on some other factors too, of course. So take your time, wait until the scanning by Combo Cleaner has been successfully accomplished. Also, if you choose to upgrade to Premium, you can request a limited functionality trial activation key. But definitely, Premium license is a much better solution to keep your system always protected from further adware or malware attacks. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider Premium license, and this way your system will always be protected from further virus attacks.